This is Manley Blanco, a smooth white matte glazed porcelain tile crafted with precision and passion by Spanish tile makers EcoCeramic. Manley Blanco's square design, along with its consistent color and tone, translates into a cohesive and harmonious look for walls and floors, and offers a versatile canvas for a wide range of applications, from sophisticated living rooms and elegant bathrooms to sleek kitchens and even commercial spaces. Manley Blanco's sustainable production journey also ticks all the eco-chic blocks, earning it the LiveGreen stamp of approval. Make a bold statement with Manley Blanco on its own, or invite its contrasting counterpart, Manley Matt Black, into the mix to create a classic black and white color scheme for added impact and versatility. Manley Blanco is the ideal companion for modern spaces and open plan living. Find it online or in store at Italtile.